Okay, Dave, we're doing another unboxing.
Yes.
Another unboxing. This is a watch we've just sold here. This is a PAM. What is it, Dave? It's a PAM
305 submersible.
305 submersible. Let's
Titanium.
get titanium. I don't like titanium. Let's open her up and let's have a look. Let's have a look. This is a titanium PAM. So it's got the cardboard box. And we're going to open this baby up.
Everything on it, all the cereal.
It's got all the serial number shit all over it. Keep these boxes, guys. These are worth big bucks because PAMs are faked, aren't they?
Yes.
Big problem with the PAMs. So keep these outer cardboard shit. This is all valuable stuff. Dave, you just open that for me there. Open that up for me and let's have a look. So this is a PAM. It's a submersible, which is very similar to the submersible I'm getting very soon. And I'll be sharing it on my channel and I'll be having buyer's remorse. We'll be doing the I was so wrong about PAM. I'm so sorry about PAM.
Yes.
And I am completely in love with PAM. Then I will try and have buyer's remorse and we'll do about half a dozen videos on this topic. Let's have a look here. I don't know if you should have put the booklets in like that, Dave. That's just...
No, they did that.
Is that they did that? Okay.
That's okay.
Okay, that's the booklets. Okay. Da 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 da. Wowzers! He's got two.
Okay.
Okay, Dave, we're gonna do an unboxing. Wowzers! This is here. It's got tools. Has my PAM got tools?
I think so. Yes.
If it doesn't, I'll take this screwdriver now, Dave. Here we go. PAM submersible. What a wonderful watch. So that's the way. Don't the books fit in there or not? Do the books fit in there? I think those books are supposed to go in there.
Yes.
Just unprofessional. Now, Dave, what do I think? It's a cool... It's not a steel stunner. This is a titanium stinker. Titanium?
Yes.
How do you feel about titanium? It feels like plastic.
Yes.
It's got the strength of titanium, but it is a bit of a scratch magnet. Could you please take that rubber fucker off? The protector, Dave, the protector. What is this? Like a rubber.
It's actually quite difficult to get on.
It's fucking pain in the ass. Holy shit. It's light, isn't it?
Yes, it is. I was quite surprised.
Fuck, that's a beautiful watch. What do you think, Dave? Is that
Yes.
gorgeous? How much is retail?
That retailed for 12,500.
And this is one of the, you said one of the first in-house?
Yes, 2009 in-house
So
measurement.
let's have a look here, guys. And it's using an automatic. It's got the nice logo on the back there. I don't... What do you think, Dave? What do you think? What
It's
do
a
you
very
think?
nice submersible.
It's beautiful. Titanium. I gotta be honest with you. I don't hate it. I don't hate it. Like, normally I hate titanium. But this is kind of like a brushed...
And it's in good condition. It's not
It's
scratch-free.
fucking amazing condition. Ooh, that's beautiful. The bezel. I love the sub-seconds. I don't know if I could have a watch without the sub-seconds, do you?
Yeah, it is nice. It is
It's
nice.
gorgeous. Nice. It's a submersible. Wow. And so,
And the loom on these are excellent.
loom is amazing.
Yes. In the dark, loom is
So he's got a rubber, he's only got one strap,
yes,
has he?
it only came with one strap.
Oh, fuck. It's
But
supposed to come
he's
with
got
the-
additional. He's got additional.
He's got
strap,
additional?
So he's happy with that.
Dave, I don't know what to say. I gotta be honest with you, I would prefer steel. I personally prefer steel. I like...
But if someone give you this,
Ooh, are you offering?
if someone gave it to you, you'd take it.
I'd love it. Love it. It's got the P9000 movement.
Yeah.
It's a PAM. It's a nice dive watch.
Yes.
Very, very cool. The thing that pisses me off with PAMs is these 30-meter divers. That kind of...
It's not a real dive thing.
It's not a real dive, but this is a... I got to be honest with you, I'm really looking forward to getting mine. I might be getting that sooner than later. Beautiful. Look at the finishing on the case. I like the coin edging on the bezel. Don't you like that? The attention to detail is just superb.
It's got the little clip that comes off.
Got a little clip. Oh, look at that. That's just fucking... just sexy. How many mils is that? 44? Is it 44?
I think it's 44, or actually it might be a little bit more. It's a 47 mil.
Fuck!
It's the big boy. 47.
So what's my mil?
46, I think.
46. Well, there we go. That's a new boundary we're going to break. That's cool. I do like it. I got to tell you, that is a very sexy watch.
Sapphire crystal.
Sapphire, display back, beautiful rubber strap. It's got the base logo on the strap. Dave, I think that could be a winner chicken dinner. There we go. And yeah, there we go. Beautiful watch. There we go, Dave. Another great Panerai. Panerai is coming back.
Take my eyes on me, my thoughts on me just grow and grow and grow. I am the best there is. I think that I'm so grand, so grand.
Hey guys, my name is Paul Pluter. I'm the method actor who plays Archibald Chesterfield III, AC3. Guys, I need a bit of help. I need a bit of help. It's very hard running a YouTube channel relying on Google Ads alone. I'm in a special niche and I speak my mind, and I don't have all those Seiko wannabes, all the people who want assurance about their affordable shitters. So I've got to really try hard to bring in the revenue. Guys, if you like my content, if you think I'm a great chap to have around, why don't you help me out? There's a number of ways you can help me out. This will keep me full-time on YouTube. Look in the description of this video for some ways you can help me. You could sponsor me on Patreon. That allows you to send a small monthly amount to me every month. It can be $1, it can be $100, whatever you can afford. The next way you can help me is, well guys, I really need some money to keep things going. Paid reviews. On the Paul Pluter channel, I run paid reviews. For as little as $20 US, I'll give you an opinion of your collection, of what you're looking at. I'll try and answer. There's heaps of other ways you can help me. I do telephone consultancy. For $50 US, I will talk to you on Skype or WhatsApp and answer your horological or personal problems. Any questions, I'll give it a go. Now guys, please help us out. Look down below, and if you could help us out, I will stay here and make videos full time on YouTube.